Alright guys, good morning from day 5 in Spain. Today we are going to go on this awesome canyon hike and then eventually drive up to Seville. So it is around 8 in the morning right now, so we have to hurry because our tour of the canyon starts somewhat soon and we still have to drive quite a ways. Guys, we have made it to our destination of the day, known as Caminito Del Rey. It's this really cool trail that's about 5 miles long, and we're just gonna go see how it is. We have tickets for 10:30, so we have to get to the entrance soon. It's around 9:45 right now, and we have a little hike to get to the entrance. I mean, really though, these views are so stunning. The trail itself isn't too bad. As you can see, it heads at a fairly gentle downhill. These cliffs and mountains are so incredible. This whole place is ridiculously beautiful. Caminito Del Rey. El Caminito del Rey is a super impressive path. The actual boardwalk, I guess you would call it, is about 3 kilometers long. But to get there and to get to the bus platform, which picks you up to bring you back to the car park, the whole path is probably closer to 6 or 7 kilometers, maybe even 8 kilometers. So El Caminito del Rey is actually a really old path that was first established in 1905. And it was meant to provide access to the hydroelectric power plants at the Chorro Falls. So the path goes through the Chorro Canyon, which is a really, really beautiful place. And this place is absolutely stunning. The new path was completed in 2015 because the old one had fallen to such disrepair, and you can still see parts of the old one, which unfortunately many people ended up dying or getting seriously injured on due to how terrible of a state it was in. So the current form of El Caminito del Rey is obviously not as popular for alpine hikers anymore because it's very safe and anyone with a moderate physical ability should be able to do the hike. But it still is such a beautiful place, and if you are a nature enthusiast, this is a must visit in Spain. So we are approaching the SUR exit. Crossing this sketchy bridge. Oh no, it's bouncing tremendous. We're over 100 feet. Oh no. We're over 100 feet suspended in the air. Get me out of here as quick as possible. I did not sign up for this. It's pretty scary. It is really beautiful. I don't think the camera can do any justice to this, but we'll try. At the conclusion of our awesome hike through El Caminito del Rey, we got back to the car park and were on the way to Sevilla. So we have arrived in our Airbnb in Sevilla, and we are about to go explore the city. The Airbnb in Sevilla was very, very nice. It was modern, well located, and had all the nice amenities we needed. But the parking was a little bit sketchy because we had to make a very narrow turn into the garage, and accidentally we scraped our car twice on the way in and out. So this is the little courtyard inside our apartment, and we are right up there on the second floor of this building. So it's quite a nice Airbnb right in the old town of Sevilla. We didn't have any major plans for that evening, given that we would be seeing most of the major sites during the next 2 days in Sevilla. But we decided to wander around, and we explored places such as the Old Town, and then went a little bit further out towards the Plaza de España, which was built in 1928 for the Ibero-American Exposition. It's a beautiful piece of architecture surrounded by a moat, and it looks really nice at night. For dinner, we ended up in a Catalanian-style restaurant, Northeast Spanish cooking style, and it was an amazing culinary experience, probably the best meal that we had during our whole trip. So that's it for day 5 in Spain, a wonderful day visiting so many amazing places, and tomorrow we will be making a massive tour around the whole city of Sevilla. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.